How to unlink social club account from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can unlink your social club account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've happened to link your Epic Games account to your social club or your Rockstar social club account, it's actually quite simple. First of all, just go to support.rockstargames.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you go to support.rockstargames.com, just come to this option and select social club because we want to unlink our social club from Epic Games. Once you select social club account here, and as you do that, over here just select this option known as account linking. Once you select account linking, first of all make sure you sign into your social club account. Over here you can simply enter your PSN ID for PSN, gamer tag for Xbox, or social club nickname for your PC. So if you use it over here, make sure to simply enter your social club nickname. After that, in the description box you simply want to give them the ID of your Epic Games account and let them know that you want to go and unlink your Epic Games account from social club. So either give them the email address of your Epic Games account or anything as such, and then they will be able to unlink the account for you. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually unlink your Epic Games account from social club. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.